Hey everyone, welcome back, and let's to be equal. First tree is empty. That means either of these statements executes. That means that both of the trees are non-empty. So now we can actually look at the values. So if p.val is not equal to q.val, what does that tell us? That tells us that the values are not the same, so the trees are not the same. So we can return false in this case. One thing to notice here is that both of these two are executing the exact same thing, right? This is returning false and this is returning false. So we can actually condense this. I'm going to copy and paste this here. So if this is true, or if this last thing is true, then we can also return false. We don't actually need this third condition. So if this statement does not execute, that means that both of the nodes P and Q are non-empty, right? And the values are actually the same because if this does not execute. So then what are we going to do over here? Now we're going to do the recursive step. We're going to call is same tree on the left and right subtree. So if P, we're going to call it on P left and Q left, and we're going to call it on P right and Q right. And what do we want to know when we're comparing the left tree and the right trees? What do we want to know? We want to know that both of the left subtrees and the right subtrees are equal. So we want this to be true, and we want this to return true as well. So we're going to take these two the return values of these two function calls, and we're going to AND them together. And if the AND is true, we're going to return true. If the AND is false, we're going to end up returning false. And this is the recursive step. This is the only thing that we have to return. This is the entire function. So this is a pretty good problem to practice your tree traversals, your depth first search practicing. So I think it's a pretty good problem. And I hope that this was helpful. I hope you do understand the edge cases and how we simplified the code. If it was, please like and subscribe. It supports the channel a lot, and I'll hopefully see you pretty soon. Thank you so much for watching.
Look at this gameplay. Look at this fire gameplay. It's only 1 minute. This fire gameplay. Look at it. Doing solo as people. Look. Oh. Look. Yeah.
How long?
1 minute. Well, watch.
How? 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 Ha?
Bro, it's edit.
Rohan, how have you bought all the skins?
Oh,
Buy it all.
I'm saving first for all the two pots.
Oh, you're gonna get no pay?
Yeah. So that's cool.
That's real. How dare you? Search it in YouTube.
Okay, how to spell.
NOVAE.
Okay.
Eight out of 10.
Thank you.
Is true, we're going to return true. If the and is false, we're going to end up returning false. And this is the recursive.
Were you proud of me that I bet of it's solo now?
Mm-hmm.
I'm better at solo.
Yes, I'm proud.
And I'm not definitely no, bro. I'm not I'm not doing solos when GG when GG is on the board. I'm gonna wait for Dandy. Yep. Bro, what the frick? Nah, bro, I have to wait.